In this video, we're going over attaching your wires to your fish tape to get ready for a pull. The first step is to take the tape off of the fish tape that you just used to push. The reason for this is you don't want to create extra buildup of multiple pieces of tape from multiple wire pulls. This keeps everything clean and fresh. The next step is going to be to attach your lead wire. You can choose any of the wires you're dealing with. On this, I'm going to choose the black. I'm going to strip roughly 6 inches of insulation off the wire. I'm going to hook this through the end of the fish tape. Go about halfway and make a hook. I'm using solid wire on this, and I like to put a little dent at the end just to flatten everything out. If you're using stranded wire, it's a good idea to do the same, but also wrap it around. This ensures a really good connection to the fish tape. Now the wires that are following this are going to be staggered and taped to your lead wire. I usually like to leave about 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches of stagger in where I'm going to put them. Now you're going to tape these wires directly to your lead wire. When doing a wire pull, most of the pressure and force is all going to be right here at the connection point. So these other 2 wires that are going to be attached to your lead wire are just along for the ride. If you feel like the wire pull you're doing might be a little more difficult, have a little more pressure and pull, you can always do multiple wires in the hook, and then the rest can follow in a stagger. Once you're ready to tape, I like to start from the back where I have all 3 wires and work my way up towards the fish tape end. Now, just like when you taped up the fish tape end for the push, you want to do the same thing for the pull. Obviously, the fish tape's going to be going in that direction. This hooking on the insides of couplings or getting caught in bends can be really detrimental to your wire pull. So you want to go past that hook with your tape, making sure it's nice and tight so there's nowhere for anything to catch. I now have a nice staggered head ready for my pull.